across the volcano. Welcome to Gravel Ground. I'm on the island of La Palma in the Canary Islands, and the Gravel Ground is a 4-day gravel camp, about kind of 70 to 100 kilometers each day, gravel riding on this beautiful island. And each night we're staying in campsites, and unlike my usual trips where I'm bike packing, carrying all my gear, it gets carried for us, and our tents get set up for us, and we get a nice dinner. So it should be good 4 days riding. This isn't my first time in La Palma. I've been here before on the GROUND Trail event back in 2021. However, at that time the volcano was exploding, and well, we're riding up it right now, so I couldn't complete the route. And this time, hopefully, there'll be no volcano and get to see a little bit more of the island. The cool thing about riding in, well, all of the Canaries really, is the change of landscape. When you're going from sea level to every 2,000 meters, it gradually changes as you go up. So now we're out of the rainforest and into the pine forest, and then shortly we'll come out into the open above the tree line, and yeah, back onto the road. Cool. Just about 2,000 meters now, and up above the cloud. Probably can't see in the video, but in the far distance you can see Tenerife just sticking up, and further around behind the hill here's the local Mera. What's up next then, Ludo? We've had lunch.
Yeah, so we are climbing to Roque de los Muchachos, the highest point in Canary Island in La Palma Island. It's very nice. There is an astronomical point of view. Coming here by night is insane. So,
and then it's all downhill. That's today's high point, 2,400 meters. What goes up must go down. What a cool descent. A bit rough at times on the gravel bike, but it's not so bad. And I've actually done that before on Gran Guanche, but I was at the end of it and quite tired, so nice to do it fresh And now we're, I guess, almost at the campsite. So just finished, got my bag. Time to find my tent number 5. Oh, look at that. Luxury. Here we go. Accommodation for the evening. I think there's 4 of us in here. Kind of luxury after a bikepacking trip. So yeah, hopefully get a good night's sleep tonight. Gravel ground day 2. Here we go. Video. Today we've got the long off-road climb, which I've just done, followed by a long descent heading all the way down to the coast again, and then a gradual climb up on the road to the campsite, which we should reach late this afternoon. It's about 40 miles today, so fairly short. Going on?
Just up here on one of the islands of the Canary Islands.
Down here. We were up here earlier.
Down here. Down there too.
End of day 2. Just running into the campsite now. Been a chill day. One big climb to start, big off-road descent, and then predominantly road. It's been good.
it's not going to affect the head, you know? It's tilted on the back, so it's not like the forehead. Yeah.
Day 3, here we go. What's going on today?
What's going on? Well, a lot of rain, very tiny ice, short night, but getting into it now.
And we've got, well, a big day, isn't it, really?
Well, on paper it's a small day, but I think it'll feel like a big day again.
Elevation versus distance is a trick around here.
Yeah, exactly.
Should be good though.
What's it like, 75k?
Something like that.
400 meters of climbing?
Yeah, 1,000 meter climb to finish. Sea level to 1,000 meters. Perfect.
Yeah, with a little hike bike.
Don't ruin the surprise. Bit of a wet start, but the nice thing about this island is as soon as you get round the other side, the conditions are totally different. So dry again now, and hopefully dry for the rest of the day. So the climb begins. 10 miles left, 1,200 meters. Here we go. hike across the volcano. There we go. Campsite on top of a volcano. Yo!
Area and get hot showers. Incredible.
Well, there must be some amount of comfort, or it would be very unhappy. There might be a rebellion.
We need marshmallows.
It's funny because we were on a scouting trip and going.
So there we go. Day 3 done and dusted. Camping at 1,000 meters on top of a volcano. Had a warm shower. Got the fire going. Get some food. And sleep in our tents. Tomorrow's the last day, and it's mostly downhill. Go on.
Got a whole little native finesse with me.
What's going on?
Tengo frío. I have cold. I have cold, but I'm good. It's good.
And it's the final day of Gravel Ground.
Final day, 600 meters elevation, which is like a fifth of what we've done any other day. Nice long descent. Hopefully it's not too cold on the descent. And straight into the ocean and the sun. It's going to be 30 degrees and sunny down there. It won't be raining. I hope.
Yeah.
If not, I'll be in the bathtub for like 2 hours with all my clothes, washing them because they smell like smoke and urine and sweat. And
So there we go. Day
Yeah.
4, here we go.
I'm off, bro. I'm gonna bond.
So today, essentially we have a lap around the top of the volcano we slept on last night, and then 10 miles back down to the coast and the hotel that we started at. It probably felt better than it looked like that. Gravel ground done.
It was good. It was long, wet, but it was an experience. Learned a bit about ultra, but that was not an ultra at all.
Yeah,
Some bike
a taste of it. A taste of an ultra.
Moose bouche on the ultra.
And you don't have to put your intent on.
No, not tonight.
Sweet. Maybe see
What'd
you
you
next
think?
year. I loved it. Yeah, like felt like a holiday compared to bike and rest.
Yeah, definitely. If the sun was out.
Yeah.